Hello everyone, myself Lohit Dalal, lecturer, Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, Jain Polytechnic, Belgavi. Today I am going to discuss unit number 2, Production and Material Management. In this lecture, I am going to discuss what is production, okay, production stages, factors to be considered in a product design. Okay, let us discuss what is production and what is product design. Okay, product design is concerned with the form of functions of a product, okay, which forms the design which involves determination of what product would look like, that is shape and appearance of the product. Okay, so what will be made for means what structure will be given for the product and how it will be made and how the process will be, okay, and also what function to be taken in order to design the product. Okay, so the first step immediately after getting the details of the product. Okay, so product design has direct bearing on the plant layout and in the process of material flow. Okay, so the main objective of the product design is to determine and specify product that will be profitable to the manufacturers, distributors, and will given to the customer satisfaction. Okay, product should be what it is. It should be a good quality and it should be satisfied the customer requirements. Okay, therefore the purpose of the product design is to determine the what satisfy the products that will be what profitable to the manufacturers, means the manufacturer should get the profits and the distributors. Okay, so and also customers should be satisfied, then only entire process will be a continuous process, otherwise process becomes discontinuous, again industry becomes in a loss stage. Okay, so in order to get a profit in a company should be in a profit stage, what should be there? So manufacturers are okay should design a product in a good quality and automatically manufacturers and distributors will get the what profits. Okay, and finally the customers will get the automatically satisfied product to be designed, that is known as product design. Okay, so next there will be various stages involved in a product design. Okay, so first stage will be new product strategy development, development. Second one, idea generation. Third one, screening and evaluation, business analysis, development testing, commercialization. New product strategy development provides corporate strategies or ideas or guidelines for the new product development process through assessment of internal experience and external opportunities. Idea generation involves the use of various idea sources and idea generation techniques required to identify new ways to satisfy needs and monitor the evaluating or evaluation technologies. Okay, so next a new product screening should be there, right? Idea generation we are doing, okay, idea should be creative, okay, new innovative, and also screening and evaluation. So new product screening is the development and systematic use of criteria to evaluate the potential of the new product ideas. Okay, so whatever the ideas we have generated, that idea should be screened and evaluated. And business analysis is a deep study of estimated economic feasibility of a new product idea and a market research to be done in a business analysis. And product development involves developing the product or a service itself and attention to the attributes or a satisfaction of the customers. Okay, and for the development of and manufacturing and packaging, okay, and also they have to estimate the what cost of the distribution, okay. So that involves in a development. So next there will be a testing. It evaluates the potential market acceptance and what rating will get in a market, and also by using the market research, okay. That is, it has to be done in a testing, okay. Means once the product they will launch in the market, okay, they will check our product is reliable in the market or not, okay, all customers will buy or not, okay, that one it will check. Then on that basis, okay, they are going to design they are going to make the production. Commercialization is the actual what it is the introduction of the product in a marketplace with all related decisions and resource commitments. Means commercialization means in a testing they are going to provide a product in a market, but in a commercialization means finalized product they are going to provide in a market, okay, marketplace for a, and also they are going to take a certain decision and commitments in order to launch the products, okay. So next there will be a certain factors to be considered while designing the products. First one, customer requirements, okay. What is the requirement will be there, what type of product customer need, okay. Convenience of the user or a operator, okay. So product, whatever the product we are going to design, that should be a convenient to the user and the user convenient to the user and the customers, okay. So type of materials used, okay, which material you are going to use, okay. Trade off between the functions and the form, work method and equipments, okay. So cost and price ratio, whatever production cost involves, okay, whatever the market price, what profit will get, okay, that check production, that one we have to check, okay. What investment will be there, what product will get, okay. So next, product quality, process capability, okay. Product quality we have to check, okay. That will also affects the product design. Process capability, okay, how it is going to process depending on the man and machine powers, okay. Effect on existing products, okay. Suppose our product is there already there in our market, okay. We are going to design next version, okay. If I design that next version of the product, okay, older version product will be sold or not in the market, okay. That effect we have to check. Next, packaging and transportation, okay. That one also we have to check. Packaging should be made in a good quality, okay. And also transportation should be uh, transportation should be a normal, okay, as usual. It means the delay in a transportation also affects the product design, okay. In this session we have discussed various stages of the product design, okay. There will be different stages, okay. So factors to be considered in the product design, okay. So in order to get a profit for a company, okay, these some factors to be considered, okay. Those are customer requirements, convenience of the users or operators, trade-off between the functions and the forms, types of materials used, work methods and equipments, cost price ratio, product quality, process capability, effect on the existing products, packing and transportation, okay. That one we have to do, okay. Thank you.